Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Today we will be unboxing the iPhone 10s refurbished repair from noon.com. Uh, First we will start by opening the parcel. This is the iPhone 10s 256 GB version from noon.com. This is repaired refurbished with 6 months warranty. This does not come in the original Apple box, but it comes in the Noon generic box. But as per them, this comes with all original accessories. So today we will check which accessories are included and what is the condition of the set. As you can see, this is not the Apple box, but a generic white box. But this does mention 256 GB on the back, and also mentions refurbished iPhone 10s with FaceTime Silver 256 GB international specs. So now we will open the box. The box dimensions look like it was an Apple box, because the Apple packing box is very much similar to this in size. So let's open the box. First in the box is the SIM pin, which is used to open the SIM card tray. Next we see the iPhone, which is in very good condition. As you can see, I don't see any scratches on the sides or on the screen itself or on the back side. The first protective covers are there. We will remove these. I'm checking it very closely, but there are very few minor scratches here on the side, on the aluminum frame, because this is used set, refurbished and repaired by Noon. But overall the condition is very good. It's almost like new, and there are no scratches on the back, just a few scratches on the head near the power button and the volume button. Okay, next we will see we have the original Apple charger included. All these refurbished sets come with original accessories. We have the Apple headphones with the lightning connector, because the iPhone 10s does not have the headphone jack. And we have the original lightning cable, and that is all. So that is for the unboxing. Next we will power up the iPhone, and then we will see what is inside this phone. So friends, we have charged the phone a little bit. As you can see, it has turned on now and it's giving the welcome message. So what we are going to do now, the power button is functioning, the silent button, the one on the left side, is working fine. Now we will going to scroll up, and now it's asking us to set up our phone. So as you can see, the phone is turning up. We will select our country, which is Saudi Arabia, and we will set up the phone manually. So now I will set up the phone, and then I will do a review video separately. I will be linking the video below. So that is all for the unboxing video. You have seen the contents of the box. This comes with 6 months warranty currently, and anything else, if there is any issue or any problem with the set, I will post those in a separate review video. So thank you for watching the video.